Good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, January 30th, 2025, and I'm out here along our main line in Shoemakersville, Pennsylvania. But today, I'm not waiting for something coming down our tracks. Today, I'm waiting for something coming in from the sky. So, what exactly is going on here? Well, our main line runs 114 miles from Reading to Pittston, and as you can imagine, there are thousands of trees, no, probably tens of thousands of trees along our tracks. Trimming all those trees the conventional way takes a lot of time and effort, so we hired this crew from LiveWire Aviation to get the work done more efficiently. This helicopter is an MD-500D, described by pilot Alan Stack as the Ferrari of the skies. It's powerful, lightweight, and agile, making it well suited to this kind of work. The saw is controlled by the pilot and has 10 rotary blades that spin at up to 4,000 rotations per minute. The landing zone occasionally moves to keep up with the work, but today we're based near Shoey Road and Miller Street in Shoemakersville. The crew returns to the landing zone hourly to refuel and inspect both machines. They just finished this round of service and are ready to embark on their second flight of the day. Let's take a ride with them to see some of the tree cutting in the Dauberville Rail Yard. Keeping the trees clear of our tracks serves several purposes. There's the obvious problem of downed trees fouling our tracks, particularly when strong storms move through. But there's also the issue of damp, fallen leaves causing traction issues for our locomotives, particularly in autumn. This is akin to driving your car on ice, and by cutting back the trees, we can greatly reduce the problem. It's the afternoon now, and we've been here in Shoemakersville for a few flights. Our high rail coming into view is our own crew scouting ahead of where the helicopter is cutting. Let's take a look at the tree trimming they're doing just south of the curve here near the landing zone. has landed for more servicing, but their next flight is the one I've been waiting all day for. We're going to see them cut the trees right in front of us. You'll notice they have a spotter on the ground guiding their work, and the helicopter will make multiple passes to ensure they've cut everything. Out of view, just south of here, a cleanup crew is busy removing all of the branches that have fallen onto the tracks. Needless to say, we have stopped our trains from running while this work is being done. All right, here they go. As the crew takes their work north, this is where I'm going to end the video. We hired LiveWire Aviation for 8 days with the goal of cutting all of the trees along our main line from Reading to our headquarters in Port Clinton, a 17-mile stretch. On an average day, they can cut 2 to 3 miles of trees, and I'm happy to say they succeeded in meeting our goal. I hope you enjoyed this unique and stunning look at some of the work that goes into maintaining our main line. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.